konting fast forward. Konting fast forward lang. Kahapon yon. Tapos ngayon, ano nangyari? Pasok, Senator.
Hearing none. Senate Bill 1506 under Committee Report number 10 is approved on second reading. Congratulations, Senator Aquino.
Congratulations to our dear colleague. Just when we placed it under the priority list yesterday, Mr. President.
Oh, kalalagay lang sa priority list. Yesterday, ano ba yan? Ano yan? Ano yan?
We already rushed and passed it. We did not rush it, but we passed it.
So to the co-authors, Senator Marcoleta and Senator Cayetano, congratulations as well.
Maybe made a co-author as well, Mr. President, with the permission of Senator Bam Aquino.
Of course, the majority leader.
Thank you.
Pa-approve na lang ngayon si gayaan nyo si Bam. Uma-approve na lang na ganun. Oh, matapos yung priority, ayan na.
So congratulations once again, and we will have this on third reading on Monday next week, Mr. President.
Hearing none.
Oh, third hearing.
Senate Bill 1506 under Committee Report number 10 is approved on second reading.
Approve na sa second reading pa lang. Na, madali nyo yan, sabi ni PBBM. Hindi priority lang, iyakan ng mga kupal. Oh. Ano ba yung mga, eto yan ha guys. Oh. Eto yung ano eh. Sabi rito, mandating the full disclosure. Ito yung act. Ito yung act na kandena. Ano ba? Kadenya ba? O ano? Mali! Mandating the full disclosure of government transactions through the establishment of digital budget portal to enhance transparency, accountability, and public participation in the Philippine budget process. Be it encarted, ayan o. So lahat yan.